So today we have installed the wheel carrier ladder, our new style cargo carrier, 800 box, and our bike D-loop attachment. Also, we've installed the roof rack system for the long wheelbase VW Crafter. This is going on Jason's van, but he's also got a YouTube channel, and we'll put the description on his YouTube at the bottom. Down there.
Put a link in the description.
We'll put a link in the description. It's got a light bar. You've got sections where you can move about at the top for putting solar panels on or whatever else wants to go on the roof. And that's about it. First stage, we change these 270 hinges to our 180 hinges by screwing out these nice few bolts. The reason we do change these hinges is because it stops it coming the whole way back, and they've also got this bar on the inside which affects us whenever you open it up. So whenever you open up the door, it pushes this nipple out and it pushes out on our cargo and wheel carrier. Now that we've got our 180 hinges on the both vans, we use this specialised washer that goes in like so, and then if you come around here, this goes in like so, and then you do the same on all four. And then Phil has already done the same on this side. So now the next step is close both doors, and then we can put our cargo carrier and wheel carrier ladder on. Now that we've got our fixings in, we can close the door shut, and then it stays in, so it's easier for us to put our cargo wheel carriers and that on. So the next stage is put our wheel carrier ladder on. Now that we have all the bolts in place, hopefully it's just a matter of setting it in. So the next stage is put on our cargo carrier, which is our new style, which follows, fingers crossed, follows wheel carrier ladder as well. Now that we've got both cargo carrier and the wheel carrier ladder in place, and we're happy with where it sits, we can drill straight through without taking this one off, but with this one we mark through the hole in here to the van, and then we take it off again and then drill it and then put it back on. So now we've marked the hole in the van, we'll remove the cargo carrier. We don't need to do that with the wheel carrier because we can drill straight through where it is. So we'll just remove that now. So I forgot to mention, whenever we, sorry I'm too close. Whenever we put the wheel carrier and cargo carriers on first, we use normal nuts, and then we change them to locking nuts after, just because it's easier to install with standard nuts. The reason we tape this up is so we don't chip the paint whenever we're drilling the hole. And then the next stage is to primer up the holes, but I'll drill this one first. Now we'll primer the 2 holes that we've drilled in the band just to stop any chance of it rusting or water getting through. So the next stage is put our fixing to the door with our rubber spacer just to give it more protection on the door. So now we've got that one on, we're going to do the same on this side as well. It's just a wee bit trickier because it's more stuff on the inside of this. Can you see it?
Can I see it?
Can you feel it?
I can feel it, feel it there. I've got a little one, I don't know how to get it. I give me a right to
I sweared and cursed at this, didn't I, Ben? Jesus Christ! I fell out with the Mercedes Sprinter.
There's not a lot of bolts through here though. There's not a lot of bolts through this side.
Was there not? Like what?
10 mil at most. Hey, Meek.
Oh,
We're seeing how good he is at getting this in.
you got it?
I don't know yet.
Tighten it up.
Have you?
Try it, tighten it up. Try it.
Have you a spanner on it?
I ain't got a spanner on it, please try and get through this. On that.
That's very hard to turn it.
Right.
Think of it on? You want to get the spanner on it and I can try and turn it?
You got a spanner?
Yeah. Oh, have you got a 13 spanner? Do you have a wee skinny hands, you see? It'll sit better in there for you. You on? Aye. Took us half an hour to get that on, Buns.
Wait on the way up spanner, I don't know yet. Wait a minute.
I can turn it if you can't turn it.
Yeah, I'm just making sure it's rested the right way on that. Right, go for it.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Yeah, it's compressed. It's compressed or rubber now, so. Now we have everything fixed on in place with our normal nuts. We'll now tighten up our lock nuts on both and then remove the standard nuts and put lock nuts back on. So for Mick to put the top cap plates on, we've got this special mechanism just because he's not that tall. It just gives him an extra bit of height to get up.
How's it go?
I think it goes a good bit.
Flying! Jack!
Move it on. Welcome back quickly. Thank you.
So now Jason's going for our 800 box. We put these fixings with a rubber washer just to stop any water getting in through into the box whenever it's fixed on. So we put the washer and bolt through and then put our rubber seal on this side and it just protects as well. So we're just putting our stainless steel threaded bar through this slotted hole. So Mike's just standing holding the tyre for the last 5 minutes. But yeah, so we put that in and then put the tyre on, and then we put our plastic cone, centering cone, and then our forged steel locking bolt. Tea time. So now that we have finished the full back doors with our 800 box cargo carrier, new model, wheel carrier ladder, and our new D-loop bike rack attachment, which is one of our first that we've got done powder coated. And I've got to say, it does look really nice. So we'll take these off. And then we already have existing holes in the roof to fix our track down. And then once we fix the track down, we'll do the same on the other side. And then we can start installing the roof rack system. So we're just using CT1 to seal up the holes before we put our track on. And then we'll put an extra rubber washer on top just to protect it. Yeah, so with the whole roof rack system on, we're just putting our cross members now across so that the customer can put solar panels, etc. on the top. And then we've also got that section, which is these slotted holes, so that you can put your awning on as well. And then the light bars down that side. Probably should have put this on first, but here we are. And thanks for watching, and if you want to like, subscribe, and even leave a comment of what else you want to see us doing,